Reproduction means produce own kind. That means rose plant will give rose plant, banyan plant will give banyan plant, banana plant will give banana plant. So whatever type it gives, just same of the small one. That is called baby. And about the reproduction, what is reproduction? But there are two types of reproduction in plants. What are those? One is vegetative reproduction, another one is non-vegetative reproduction. In vegetative reproduction, the parts which are taking part are stem, roots and leaves. This is called vegetative reproduction. In non-vegetative reproduction, it takes part male and female part of the plant. It may be same plant or may be other plant. Other way, you can say it sexual reproduction in plants. Today learn about the structure of the flower, where a flower have many parts, that is sepal, petals, filament, anther, this is called stigma, and this part is called style, this is ovary, and this produce ovules, and these are the sepals. The different parts are given over here. This big part is, that is here, it is sepal, this is style, which pipe-like structure is there. At the above, it is called stigma. Then this part filament, that is called filament, and this is anther, and this is called petal. These things are required to learn the reproduction in plants, because reproduction takes place in flower. After that it moves to fruit, then fruit gives us the seeds. Then again this cyclic process is going on, for which we need to learn about the structure of the flower. Pollination, if the structure of flower is known, then we must know about the pollination. Pollination means transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma. Maybe it is happening in the same flower or in another flower. It can move. See, pollination is of two types. One is self-pollination, one is cross-pollination. Self-pollination means this anther comes here by any pollinator. What is pollinator? Who carry the pollen grain are called pollinators. But this is called self. But if this anther move to this flower, this stigma, then it is called cross. This is called cross pollination, when the anther of one flower goes to another stigma, but when the anther of the same flower goes to same stigma in the flower, then it is called self pollination. When it goes to another flower, this is called cross pollination. After meeting the pollen grains by self pollination or cross pollination, what is then happen? Fertilization takes place. Fertilization, what do you mean by fertilization? When male cell mix with the female cell, then it is called fertilization. Fertilization is the fusion of the male cell with the egg cell, is known as fertilization. How it happens? Now come to, when anther of any plants comes and touch with this stigma, then this anther goes down and goes inside the part of the ovary. Here this is containing, this anther containing male part, okay, and this contain female part. So when male part comes inside and mix with the female part, then fertilization takes place.